Okay, so we are going to continue with our strategic thinking. Let's look at our conditions in order to solve our problem. So our first condition is we need to use the digits 0 through 9 at most one time each, and we have to make a true statement. So we are going to work together to fill in our blanks here to meet these conditions. So what I want you to do first is I want you to work with a partner to talk about what numbers can we put in there to meet these conditions. So turn your body to your partner and put your heads together to think of a strategy.
What do you want to do?
Start with. So does that meet your condition? So you could give us a sentence, the condition, like our frame up there, the condition was not met because...
What's 4 times 9?
There was 2 5s in these numbers.
Yes.
I put 2 times 7, then 0 and 6.
Okay.
And 14 plus 0 is 14.
Oh. Okay.
That's a 32.
Waterfalls. So we're going to do a little gallery again where we are going to put up our boards and see if they meet our conditions. That condition. Okay, let's look at our next board. What I see on the board is I see an 8 times 6, and then I see 4 times 9. So what now 8 times 5 is 40, so that is correct. Now 4 times 9 is 36, and when we add those we do get 76. So let's go through our conditions. Everyone, remember to give feedback. Either we're agreeing or we're going to respectfully disagree. So did they use the digit 0 through 9 at most one time each? Do you agree, or does anyone respectfully disagree? Good, we're agreeing. The condition was met because, is this a true statement?
Yes.
Yes, it is. And how did you know this was a true statement?
We solved it.
You solved it, and you guys solved it together. Thank you.
Sure.
So looking at our chart for our strategy game that we've been thinking, where Angel, where we've been thinking of ways that we can win by being the first person to clear our game board. So what do we notice about our numbers when we roll these with the dice? What do you notice? Turn to a partner and tell them, what do you notice? So let's clearly see who partners are. Turn your bodies to your partners. What did you notice? Emily?
6, 7, and 8 have more chances.
6, 7, and 8 have more chances of what? Explain further.
For the dice to roll.
For the dice to roll. Chances to roll a 6, a 7, and an 8. So that should affect your strategy on your game board. Okay, are we ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to roll the 2 dice, and I will just yell out the add-ins, and then you yell out the sum.
6.
Uh-oh. Who's going to be off the board first? 2 plus 1.
3.
3.
Oh yeah, we're still pulling off the board over here.
5
plus 3.
8.
Woo! We've got someone who pulled off the board. Congratulations to Emily. So what Emily said that she put 3 on 6, she put 3 on 7, and she put 3 cubes on 8. That means she had 3 chances for all of these. When you're thinking of your strategy for this round, keep that in mind. We're going to review how our brains were thinking I'm going to count, and our place we're going to move, does anybody know where we're going to move in the room? Yes, exactly. So 1, 2, 3. The math practices that we used today, who would like to share a math practice that you used? Daisy.
We attended to precision.
Okay, how did we attend to precision?
When we were counting the blocks, we had to make sure that we had 11.
Thank you. What else did we use today? Angel, you can come up and point to it. Okay, tell us which one that is.
Justifying critique.
Tell us how we did that. How did we justify and critique our answers?
Cause people when they put up their boards, they thought that they didn't have one of each, but they actually did.
So when we were checking to make sure the conditions were correct, thank you. I'm getting some agreeing. Thank you for feedback. Anyone else? What other math practices? Emily? No? No? Okay. Melina?
We use model and mathematics.
How did we model? Thank you.
We use I don't know what those are called.
Number cubes? Or
Yeah, we use the number cubes
Unifix
to
cubes.
to put on each number to see which math problem came up to see the answer, and the answer we took off one cube, which is the model.
Okay, thank you. Any others for today? Aiden,
We had to attend to precision.
how did you attend to precision?
I had to attend to precision and think of what strategies on the math thing.
Which
When
math
we were
thing?
doing the thing with the cubes.
Oh.
And I had to think of what would make me win.
Thank you. Liam,
I was going to say it's
you agree with? Good, thank you. We did a lot of thinking today, so thank you so much. Did you have one more?
Yeah.
Yes.
We understood and persevered.
How did you understand and then persevere?
When we didn't give up to when we were on the phone and they're doing the math.
The conditions?
Yeah.
So go ahead.
We didn't give up when you're trying to find the sum when we were multiplying.
Thank you. Well done, you guys today. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Well done. Thank you.